Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make TikTok edits with AI. TikTok has become a popular social media platform for short-form videos, and many people are using AI to create more creative and unique edits. First, open your TikTok app and sign into your account. Next, tap on the camera icon on the bottom left corner of the screen, and then select Edit from the menu that appears. Now, you'll see a new screen with various editing tools, such as filters, music, and transitions. AI can help you create even more unique edits by providing suggestions for how to use these tools. One of the best things about AI is that it can automatically analyze the footage you have and suggest the best edits for it. For example, if you have a clip of someone dancing, AI can suggest different transitions and music to make the video more engaging. You can also use AI to create GIFs from your videos. To do this, simply select the area you want to cut out and then select Create GIF. AI can also help you create longer videos by automatically chopping and editing your footage. This is great for creating quick vlogs or adding some humor to your videos. Overall, AI can save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to creating TikTok edits. So, the next time you're looking to create a unique and engaging video on TikTok, try using AI to make the process even easier. Thanks for watching.